What's up, guys? I finally got these shoes delivered. I've been wanting these for a while. Unfortunately, it came with a ripped box, but it's all right. It's not the end of the world. Maybe a lot of you guys are looking to buy these shoes, and so I decided to just make a quick video on them since I haven't done videos in a while as well. Wanted to get back into the groove, but here we go. Oh, they're nice. See, I went with the all black. You guys already know that, but they're really nice. Oh yeah. Now I'm gonna get different shots for you guys. It's not gonna be a long video, it's gonna be kind of short, but I'll get shots, side shots, front shots, and I'll also do it on foot for you guys. Check out the shoe, man. Oh, dude, the black on this shoe is insane. Like the two-tone right here, it's awesome. I love these shoes. If you guys are looking to buy these, buy them. You can't go wrong. You can wear these every day. You can wear these to work. You can train in these. These are awesome, man. I'm so glad I purchased these. They're beautiful. You guys can't go wrong with your all classic Air Max, you know? Quick little side view. I hope it looks pretty good. Quick front view. Boom. Little side view again. Show you guys the inside real quick. Boom. Check that out. They look good. Check that out.